residential house wiring using switches, fuse, indicator and lamp. Aim of our experiment to implement residential house wiring using switches, fuse, indicator and electrical loads. This is the wiring diagram for the residential house wiring. You can able to see that there is a plug top is there, that is a 3-pin in which the ground connection is given in green color, and then there is a phase connection is given by red color wires, and then the neutral connection is given by black color wires. So we know that the phase wire will flow through the fuse and the MCB, and then it is given to the 2-pin indicator. So from the 2-pin indicator we can able to take the phase connection for any switches or any 3-pin socket or any 2-pin sockets. Then the neutral wire is connected to the 2-pin socket. From there we can able to connect to the 3-pin socket and to any switches. Then the switch which is used to be connected for the lamp load and fan, the phase connection of those particular load is connected to the phase pin of the switches. Similarly, the neutral of the electrical load also connected to the neutral pin of the particular switch as well as to the indicator. Now we will discuss how to give the circuit connection and then conduction of the residential wiring. Now you can able to see that there is a fan load is there, in which the phase of the fan is connected to the switch. So this switch is used to connect the fan, and then now you can able to see one lamp load neutral wire is connected to the switch, and then the neutral wire of the lamp load and the neutral wire of the fan both are connected to the corresponding indicator neutral. You can able to see that this is a supply. From the supply, the phase wire is connected through fuse and MCB and then to the indicator phase pin. So from this indicator you can able to, that is this indicator from the switchboard, you can able to connect your phase and neutral wherever you require. So this is a neutral which is connected to the indicator, and this is a ground. Green color is the ground wire which is connected to the ground point of the 3-pin socket. So in this you can able to see that now the phase wires for the 3-pin socket as well as for the fan switch and then light switch, it is connected. Similarly, the neutral point which is taken from the supply is given to the indicator. From the neutral point you can able to give it to the 5-pin socket neutral, and then to the switches also, fan and lamp switches, the neutral wire is connected. This is the phase wire, this is connected to the switch phase, and this is the phase wire of the lamp that is connected to its corresponding switch. Now we can able to see the conduction. First we have to give the supply, and then this is the phase neutral and then ground connection from the supply. Then you have to place the fuse carrier in the fuse base, and then it is we have to switch on the main supply and then to the MCB, and then You can able to see that indicator is going. Now if we are going to switch on the fan, so the fan is rotating, you can able to observe that also. Then now we are going to switch on the lamp, so the lamp is on. Now we are going to check the 5-pin socket, so you can able to see that